Welcome to Small Cap Nation. I'm Jane King at the NASDAQ market site in Times Square. Inovio Pharma told Bloomberg that it plans to start testing its DNA-based Zika vaccine in non-human primates. Currently, the vaccine is being tested on lab mice, but it is able to move faster than traditional vaccine development timelines. Testing in humans is targeted for this year. The virus has been causing brain damage in unborn babies when the mother is bitten by a mosquito carrying it. Remy Blair will have more on how investors are reacting from Silicon Valley. Plug Power has added big companies like Home Depot and Nike to its list of customers in 2015, contributing to its goal of $100 million in revenue. CEO Andy Marsh said adding more national retailers like those is the key to achieving the company's 2016 revenue goal of $150 million. It's all an effort to turn a profit for the first time in the company's 17-year history. Now, this year, Plug is limiting its cash use to under $20 million, so they don't have to raise additional capital to break even by the fourth quarter of this year. Cox is coming out against Nexstar's $4.6 billion acquisition of Media General. Nexstar and Media General inked the $4.6 billion deal to merge this week. Now, Cox says the deal means cable TV and satellite customers will be forced to pay more, and it recommended the public contact the Federal Communications Commission to voice opposition. Biotechs are aiming for non-invasive prostate cancer biopsies. Now, what if doctors could screen men for prostate cancer without a painful and often unneeded biopsy? A handful of biotech firms working on techniques that would instead use simple blood or urine tests, and that could result in a new multi-billion-dollar business. Now, a company called Opco Health has a new procedure involving a blood draw that aims to find whether a man has a dangerous cancer lurking in his prostate or not. It claims it can eliminate 60% of biopsies with this new technology. Well, lots of small cap companies making news today, so here's a look in today's small cap wrap. Chemours is replacing Comscore in the S&P 600 index. Comscore will replace Chemours in the S&P 400. Fortinet sees 2016 earnings per share right at expectations. Gigamon earnings and revenue did beat estimates. Proofpoint revenues guidance comes in right at expectations. QLogic's earnings beat estimates. Quality Systems earnings beat estimates as well. Shortel bought Corviza, that's a software and cloud company. Synaptics sees its third quarter revenue well below original estimates. And Tidewater has suspended its dividend stock repurchase program. The Men's Wearhouse announced that effective January 31st, it will implement a holding company structure. The new holding company is called Tailored Brands. It's a Texas corporation. Now, as a result of this, Men's Wearhouse shareholders will become shareholders of the new Texas holding company on a one-for-one basis. And it's not recession numbers yet, but it is close. The U.S. economy expanded at a slower pace in the fourth quarter as households and businesses tempered their spending. The gross domestic product showed meager growth in the final months of 2015 at just 0.7%.